Have you ever had dreams of greatness? Fame, fortune, adoration from a loving partner, maybe a discovery that will put you in the history books for a couple of centuries or more. How about living a life where you're only surrounded by people you like and no assholes, while traveling around the world on your own personal yacht?
I had many such dreams. My dreams are my guide in life, but I try to set more or less realistic ones all the time, hoping that once I'll get there, I'll finally be happy. They also turn out to be my greatest weakness because I have a hard time telling the difference between what I want and what I need.
Money, a big house, a great career, or a truly loving partnership are things we generally expect that will bring us satisfaction from life and an escape from anxiety.
When I was a kid, I wanted to become an astronaut, but I was busy watching cartoons and action movies from the 80s, and I didn't really like math. The fanciful dreams of childhood might seem silly when seen from my years of experience, and obviously, most kids want to be astronauts when they're 8, but a very small number actually become. Maybe I'm wrong, but it feels that most of us don't really know what we want to be when we are kids. We just jump from one dream to another, depending on what we see on TV or read in a magazine. It's just that those kids who actually end up being astronauts are from that rare breed that has focus from childhood and is really damn stubborn.
So, the conclusion should be simple. You have to really know what you want, stick to it, and when you get there, you'll be happy, right? Maybe, but it too often gets more complicated than that. Happiness is such a vague concept to wrap your head around.
When I turned 19 and was ready to leave home and start a new life alone, I thought I had the world by the balls. I had got into film school and was about to become a great filmmaker. A career that would come with fame and appreciation, and hence, my ticket to happiness was already bought. I guess I could have chosen any dream, but this one came with the freedom to do what I really wanted. I thought I had found the key to being happy. And when I finished school and did not really want to make films anymore, I just lingered for almost a decade, being free, but definitely not happy. I thought I would never come back to making films, but one day I met a very special person and we made a film together over 5 years of work. And it came out alright. I had expected to feel overjoyed. The dream was fulfilled. What could prevent me from being happy?
But since the film was not seen by as many people as we expected when it finally premiered, there was no sense of satisfaction. Wondering why? What did you actually enjoy in 10 years?
I realized that I loved making it, meeting new people, learning and making a bunch of mistakes. And even if it was hard and uncomfortable quite often, it felt so good to share that with someone special.
It's just when you get to the top of the mountain, you might stay there a couple of hours, maybe put a tent for a night, and then you just have to go down anyway. Maybe to climb another one, maybe to look for another dream. But the road there and the people you take with you are enriching your life more than any dream can. Overall, freedom and happiness are bullshit concepts that should never be goals in themselves. It's rarely that you know what to do with all that freedom. Happiness and real freedom are nurtured, like any other skill.